In this video, we are going to create an easy aubergine. Yeah, an easy, cute aubergine. Yeah, because I'm going to be using Crayola markers. And let's get started. So here I've sketched this eggplant with colored pencils to help me identify which color should I use for this object. Okay, so I have my markers out here. Yeah, these are my markers. Yep, couple pretty colors. So let's start with the highlights first. I will be using the tropical violet color, which is the light purplish color. So let's do that. I'm just gonna be doing it on its side, so Then for the leafy parts, I'm going to use the color palm leaf, which is green with a bit of a lighter shade or a pale shade. Here it is. This palm leaf color should do the trick. And even here. So for instance, I'll be using this purple marker. So make sure that it's better to trace because I have the outlines, what I've said, like I've sketched it out as for outlines. Okay, and let's use kiwi, which represents as the leaf color for the eggplant, which is around that color, of course. Let's test it out. Now we will be working on with some shadows. For instance, I will be using plum, which is the shadow color of purple. So for the eggplant, I'm just gonna make like a reverse crescent shape to make it like about this or something. So I'll be starting on here and all the way to the end like this. Yeah, because this is an important color. Notice that how I test out with this shadow color. When the light that affects that hits towards the object, like at the remaining left side. And then I will put the color right under the leaves, part of this eggplant. So I'll be taking with the same color. That should be like that. Then for the shadow color for the leaves, I'll use green, because this does seem look like darker. I'll be making it like this. This can be like for the depth of the shadow effect. Not to forget about this. This almost turns out so beautiful, but it still just need one more thing. So to make this a little bit more beautiful, we're gonna be taking black for the outlines. I'm gonna be outlining sort of this. Like for this withstanding this object. So what I draw is making thin strokes. Yep. Let's not even forget this part too, because I want that to make it even more beautiful with this as well. Oh yeah, let's not forget. So I will be using a whiteout pen. If I draw it here on the highlighted edges, that way we can see the white part when the light hits on that direction. I'll take it. Yes. And we can do the other part too. And that stem. Okay. And we can do this too. And we're done. Ooh, I like how the eggplant turned out as how I have made this. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.